Jongo Ichigo gunning for another Ginebra championship after winning so many championships with the San Miguel Beermen. Chris Alexander the Great hoping to cap a memorable conference with Ginebra with a championship as we open hostilities here in the first period. Those are Bryce's in the starting lineup, Jason.
So for both teams, these have been the guys that they have gone to. But we have to look at guys at Mark Caguioa. Ano ba ang kondisyon ni Mark Caguioa para sa larong ito? Because he is starting and all eyes will be on him.
So Air 21 will have the first chance to score here in the ultimate game of this best of 7 series. Canaleta loses the ball. It's flipped up. Ends up with Stephen Thomas. And it will stay with Air 21.
First couple of minutes, very crucial, Miko. Air 21 has been lording it over in the starts of every game. Here in this game 7, importante dito makauna ka dahil may halong kaba at pressure yan for both teams.
Artadi! Paul Artadi has been sensational here in the finals for Ginebra in the absence of J.J. Helterbrand as he gives Arboleda a hard time. Thomas. Outside, Arboleda with 10 to shoot. Back inside, Thomas. Thomas twirls and misses. Heck with a rebound. Here comes Artadi. The hitman with the basketball. Sends it over to Alexander. Minute having gone by here in the opening period. It's a 2-0 game. Alexander with a spin and a hook on the basket.
And Chris Alexander right now just playing with supreme confidence after that big game in Game 6. And he knows pwede rin siya makakuha ng foul mula dito kay Stephen Thomas.
3-point basket on the way. 3 straight misses for Air 21. And that's going to be last touch on Arwin Santos. 4-0 start for Ginebra.
Also, we should look at all these guys. A lot of them already breathing through their mouth dahil pag yan Game 7 and Game 1 in the finals, those are the 2 games that are hardest to play dahil napakabigat ng pressure at syempre even mga professionals yan kinakabahan pa rin yan.
Nice block by Arwin Santos with those long arms. Here comes Canaleta. Able to eyeball with Valenzuela. Canaleta forced it. Stephen Thomas is right there to put Air 21 on the scoreboard.
Not a good shot, but in the end, Stephen Thomas able to clear that basketball. Those are the little things that Stephen Thomas has been able to give to this Air 21 team.
Eric Maxwell again. And that goes in for Chris Alexander, who now has 4 points in the game.
So how good is that jump hook? Everyone knows that he's going to that jump hook, pero hindi pa rin mapigilan itong Air 21 because he's just so big.
Open shot, Arboleda goes inside, lost the ball, and it will stay with Air 21. By the way, ang ating Supreme Court for this crucial game, Peter Balao, Jess Ferrer, and our Chief Justice is Joey Kalungkagi. Here's Arboleda, with a runner. Pag pumasok yung ating Caguioa, and it's going to be stepping on the baseline against Arboleda. Sa gigil ni Mark Caguioa when he was trying to get the rebound, napitawan niya, muntik pumasok.
It was actually 2 possessions na mga muntik. Pati yung follow-up ni Santos, muntik lang rin pumasok.
Now this is what you have to accept when you put Artadi on the floor. He will make some decisions you might like to question. But what you need with Artadi, what you want from Artadi is energy all throughout the game.
But that's why during the elimination and the quarterfinals and semifinals, ginagamit siya in spurts. 4 minutes, 5 minutes, just to get the crowd involved. But now, he's definitely the best point guard available in that team if J.J. Helterbrand is not playing.
9 minutes to go in the opening period. Here comes Caguioa. Pasa niya natatik at tuluyang naagaw. Arboleda on the move. 2-on-1 break, 3-on-1 break. And it's going to be last touch on Ranidel De Ocampo. And that's what we were saying about Paul Artadi. You take the good with the bad. Because when Artadi's good, the crowd really loves it.
And you know, when he's good, he can carry this team with all his energy, his passing, and his ability to create for his teammates.
Nice hustle by Arboleda. Here comes Arwin Santos, and he is fouled. And it's going to be 2 free throws for Arwin Santos.
Right here, turnover once again. A couple of turnovers now nakikita natin, but a good pass by Winnie Arboleda from his backside. At ayun, tinawagan si Junti for that little tap on the left hand.
So Junti Valenzuela commits the first personal foul of the game. You see the solid numbers coming from Arwin Santos. Kaya naman siya naging runner-up for the race for the MVP.
And Miko, those 10 and 11 numbers of Arwin Santos kind of deceiving, because when you look at his field goal shooting in that game, he was only 3 out of 16.
Turnover laban sa Ginebra. Up by just 2 here in the opening period. Thomas. Canaleta. Thought about it. Makes it. Press for Nino Canaleta.
Junti Valenzuela knows that KG can hit that shot. Remember what he did to them? I believe that was game 3 when he just exploded from 3-point range. This is one of those guys na ayaw mong pumutok.
Now Air 21 is on top. Pwede pa rin nagdagan ng kanilang kalamangan. Arboleda to Thomas. Thomas gathering the basketball, ends up with Canaleta. Firing away. Rattles out. Bumalik ang bola kay Arboleda. Bagong shot clock for Air 21. Canaleta on the left side. De Ocampo against Meng. Vanadel De Ocampo, one of the best post-up players in the business. This is the attempt. Bola na naman ng Ginebra. They're down by 1. So now both teams settling down after a jittery start. So a quick start by Ginebra. Taguiwa against the PM3.
Well, if you're Mark Taguiwa, that's the shot that you would like to take, because they're questioning if you have the legs or the quickness. But if you're gonna get an open 3-point shot, hindi na tatanungin kung mabilis ka ba o may quickness ka. You take it first. He's got that shot.
Meantime, Thomas has the leather. Air 21 down by 2. 6 to shoot. And Arwin Santos with a sweet turnaround. Well, despite a quick start by Ginebra, Air 21, di nagpapaiwan dito. Back inside the championship capital of Philippine basketball, the Araneta Coliseum. Of course, I thought we had the best seat in the house. Mr. Bayani Agbayani has the best seat in the house.
Yan ang kabulahan ko.
Mga kaibigan natin from My MVP, part of this mammoth crowd, close to 23,000 fans, and that is the official count. No? So hindi pa po kasama si Bayani doon.
At ito, nagdagdag pa. May dala pa ito kanina mga kasama sa labas.
23,001.
Ilan ba mga kasama mo?
300. Of course, monitoring everything happening on your TV sets is this Ken Olaso celebrating his birthday tonight. And Ronald Tubin announcing his entry in the game with a PM3.
We talked about guard production so far. Mark Taguiwa hitting a 3-pointer. Ronald Tubin also hitting a 3-pointer.
3-point lead for Ginebra. And Artadi forced to step on the brakes. Here comes Taguiwa. Lost it. He knew it. Nadulas yung